Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have yet another one for you, Typogram. This one in a nutshell is the brand new AI typing technology that hijacks any website online and types there like a human being to produce 100% fresh SEO optimized content for life. This is to say that this technology helps you to type using any keyword of your choice, and this will be able to, sort of take materials from websites that are online and then act as if it's a human, and then be able to help you produce such amazing contents that will be so SEO optimized that is going to last for a lifetime. And this product is being launched by my friends Anil Bavra and Amit Gaikwad, and is going live today, the 28th of November 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you stick with me during this very review, I will show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which are, believe me, going to help you incentivize this product. They are all trend courses and softwares that are currently selling on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, and also take you to the members area of the software, the dashboard area, which is exactly this. And of course, you know what that means. If you are interested in this one, at any point you decide, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this sales page where you will be able to locate a button. I think they are golden color, which is going to help you grab a copy of this. This button will give you access to this amazing product. Now, if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notification. Now, let us see in details what exactly it's about, so that we see how we can manage to solve this very problem of having to rely on copy and pasting from different sites. You'll be able to avoid all of that by simply using the keyword and use this very application to actually use that technology that is so advanced to type by getting materials from other websites and being able to replicate it on your own in order to get your website or anything you have out there SEO optimized in order to reach more people in the world. So that's exactly what this product is about, and that's in a nutshell what it does for you. Now let us see some of the benefits we have here. The first to market next-gen AI technology that helps newbies hijack online websites and type human-like content automatically, and it lets AI create stunning niche-friendly content that converts visitors into customers in 3 clicks. And with this, you can ignite organic growth and drive 10 times more traction on your offers globally. And you have your personal typing robot that works 24/7, 365 days of the year, and it types faster, more accurately, and with more confidence. Imagine if you are, a member of the Reddit application, even Quora application, and some of these ones, you'll be able to just answer questions or ask questions using this very amazing technology, okay? And you can stop paying monthly to virtual assistants who do exactly the same work this very application is going to do for you. And then you can post smashing content on X, which is a Twitter platform, which is where it is integrated to, and they will be able to post on any topic using any keyword, and that will be done automatically without wasting even a single second creating it, and no copy pasting required. The AI actually creates attention-grabbing content in a few seconds, and you can say goodbye to time by logging into age-old content creation tool. So it is easy to use, beginner-friendly technology that never seen before, and I mean, you have the ability to have no third-party dependency ever. Manage everything from one central dashboard, which is exactly the dashboard that I've shown you before, and then all of that will be able to happen for you using this AI amazing technology, okay? You see, thousands of business owners are eagerly willing to switch to Typogram to let artificial intelligence type human-like content for any offer in any niche, with zero copy pasting, zero third-party dependency, and without burning a hole in your pockets. These are the testimonials you are going to have access to when you arrive here. You'll be able to read for yourself and see if this is going to be for you. But if you are someone who is creating content, this may be a product you need, because with AI you'll be able to keyword in any idea you have, and it's going to bring it out there, and that will enable you also have automatic integration with Facebook X, which is formerly Twitter, and some of the other handles at your disposal. Okay, so that's what this product is about. I am not going to waste a lot of time on the sales page, because I know that at your convenience you'll be able to get access to this and read for yourself and see if that's going to help you make up your mind on this. But I like the capability it has, as I have seen in the dashboard area, and this may be able to help you as well in your work, in your content creation, and help you also avoid enormous monthly commitments in the way of subscriptions that you pay every time, like to websites like Writer, I have it, and ChatGPT, and you have Squarespace. All these very expenses will be avoided with this application. This is the intention, and of course the idea behind getting this solution to solve some of these problems for anyone who is interested. And of course this will go a long way in helping you. So I will leave the decision to pick up this one to you at your convenience when you arrive here, and of course at any time you decide, and I will encourage you to use that first link below in my description area in the course of this review, so that you'll be able to get a copy for yourself. For now, what we are going to do is to take a look at the very sales page. Of course, I mean the very members area, the dashboard area itself, which is exactly this. Here you have the very tutorial for this very application. Here, this is the video that is going to teach you how to install the Typogram, and then this one will teach you how to use Typogram, and here troubleshoot video for this application and application of Typogram. So you have here Typogram in Quora, which is integrated, Typogram in WordPress, Google Sheet and Google Docs, and you have also Typogram in Facebook, you have LinkedIn Typogram, you have Twitter Typogram, you have Typogram for Upwork, you have Typogram for Reddit, you have Typogram for Fiverr, and that of Wattpad. You have a lot of platforms where you can synchronize this application, and then of course that will enable you, without wasting any time with this one. Here is the keys that have been created. If we just take a look at that, you can, like this one is active, they are all active, you can delete with this very one. And here of course you have your downloads, which is exactly where all the downloads you have with the key that is going to link up with these very applications social media integrations. Okay, so that's how you get it. In any case, let us take a look at the demo video of this product in action, so that you see how it works, and then we go from there. Now let us take a look at the pricing. Before we go into my bonuses, we will do well to look at the pricing for this product so that you see what you have. The front end goes for $19, which has the ability to rise up to $27 after the 4 days launch or 5 days launch of this product, and you have all these capabilities. You have the OTO number 1, which is the Pro Edition, goes for $37 downsell, and here you have the ability to write premium content with latest ChatGPT 4 engine, which is integrated with this Typogram application, and you can unlock more websites to type content for you, like Quora, LinkedIn, website, WordPress, and then school projects. And you remove their signature created by Typogram, which is the watermark, and then you have also commercial license for this very application. Okay, so now you have the unlimited version for $37. Here you have basically everything unlimited for you. You have the number 3 OTO, which is the upgrade number 3, which is the meta, goes for $37, and here you have 10 times faster speed than basic, unique content everywhere, 10 license keys to sell to clients, and unlimited feature updates. Okay, so you have the upgrade number 4 agency for $97. Here you have the upgrade that gives you the agency rights for this very one, which means you can use this to create an agency business that you can hang on any of the workplaces and make money online remotely. And you have the upgrade number 5 reseller for $97. You have upgrade number 7, which is a white label. With this, this is exactly what gives you the right to own this product as if it's your own, and then brand the entire tool, and your own branding and your own logo, and of course your product name. These are the upgrades, which are quite affordable. Okay, now let us take a look at my amazing bonuses for you for this. Number 1 will be Latitude, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push button profits, where you learn how to make money using the blockchains, NFTs, and that is very massive as we speak. You have number 2, TweetX, which is a Chrome extension that is going to divert traffic from X platform, which is formerly called Twitter, and then and direct that to your amazing audience. You have also the Insurgency, which is a training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have Lazy Traffic Sniper, how to snipe traffic from different sources online. You have JavaScript Commission Bot, how to a bot application that is installed to help you direct traffic to make 4-figure daily commissions. You have also number 6, which is Lockdown Formula, which is exactly the training that I started with, which teaches you how to start from scratch as a beginner and be able to scale your business online. You have the Commission Toolbox number 7, which is 1,000 different links that are going to give you different capabilities online, including link shorteners, background removers, video editors, image editors, name it, you have it here. And after purchase, under your purchase history, when you arrive this very first page, by clicking that first link below in my description, it will take you to the sales page where you click this link. When you do, after your purchase on the Warrior Plus platform where this product is hosted, you will find a button under your purchase history which gives you access to the very product, the Typogram, this green one, and the blue one will give you access to my amazing bonuses, which are lined up and which are going to eventually help you incentivize this product. Now let us take a look at the final time on the sales page, and with this I will encourage you that this product is going live today, the 28th of November 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York, and of course these buttons will be operational by that time. In any case, I will leave it here for this review. I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. I will be back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeMaduro.com, coming to you as always from here. And from here, guys, it's goodbye.